In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Outlook on PC. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to check your email from any modern web browser on your computer. First, open your preferred browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari all work well. In the address bar at the very top, type outlook.com and press enter. This takes you to Microsoft's Outlook homepage. Before you move on, take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on the official site and that you see the secure padlock icon. That small check helps protect your account from lookalike pages. On the Outlook homepage, look toward the top right corner and click the Sign In button. This button is easy to spot and takes you straight to Microsoft's secure sign-in experience. Depending on your account type, you might see a Microsoft branded page, or for work and school accounts, an organization branded page. Either way, the process is the same. Now enter your email address associated with your Microsoft or Outlook account. Type it carefully. Watch out for accidental spaces before or after the address and make sure everything is spelled correctly. Select Next if prompted, then enter your password. If you're typing it manually, double check for capitalization and special characters and confirm that caps lock isn't on. If your browser offers to autofill your credentials, verify they're correct before proceeding. When everything looks right, continue to sign in. At this point, you may be asked to complete two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This is an extra security step that helps keep your account safe. Follow the prompt you see on screen. You might approve a notification in your Authenticator app, enter a code sent by text message, or confirm a code delivered by email. Have your phone or trusted device nearby so you can respond promptly. If you're given a brief time limit, don't worry. Just enter or approve the code as soon as you receive it, and you'll move forward. After you finish authentication, Outlook will load your mailbox in the browser. You should see your inbox, folders, and any new messages appear. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal, just give it a second. From here, you're fully signed in and ready to read, reply, and manage your email. One final tip: if you're on a shared or public computer, be mindful of any prompt that asks if you want to stay signed in. It's safer to avoid staying signed in on devices you don't control. That's it. You've successfully logged into Outlook on your PC.